In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Capcut on your iPhone. Keeping your apps up to date is essential because these updates often come with new features, bug fixes, and overall improvements that enhance the app's functionality and security. To ensure you're always making the most out of Capcut, let's guide you through the process to update it on your iPhone. First, grab your iPhone and locate the App Store icon. It's a blue icon with a stylized white A in the center, typically found on your home screen. Go ahead and tap on it to open the App Store. Once inside, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. This icon might be a photo you've chosen or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Tap on your profile icon to access your account settings and a detailed list of your apps. After you've opened your account page, you're going to scroll down through the options until you find a section that lists all your apps waiting for an update. This is where you'll see any pending updates for apps installed on your device. Take your time scrolling through this list. We're looking for Capcut specifically, so keep your eyes peeled for its icon. It's a black icon featuring a stylized C that might be very familiar if you use this app often for video editing. Now once you find Capcut in the list, pay attention to its update status. If an update is available, you'll see an option that says update right next to it. If this option is there, go ahead and tap on update. This will initiate the download of the latest version and will replace your current version with one that has all the latest bells and whistles. Allow your phone some time to complete this process. It might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Just ensure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network so the update proceeds without interruption. Now with the update process complete, it's time to dive back into Capcut and explore any new features or improvements it has to offer. Go ahead and tap on the Capcut icon to open the app. By keeping your app updated, you're not only gaining access to the freshest features and capabilities, but also ensuring that the app runs smoothly and any potential security vulnerabilities are addressed. And there you have it, a simple yet essential task that ensures your Capcut app is ready to help you create and edit your videos with the latest tools. Remember, regularly updating your apps is just as important as using them, as it keeps everything in tip-top shape. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.